To thrive in today's rapidly changing environment, we need to adapt quickly and learn continuously. 71% of CEOs estimate skills gap will be a major constraint to growth. How do we fill the skills gap and build learning culture? I define learning agility as the capability to accelerate our learning through 4 factors: our motivation, our attitude, the learning process, and environment. What are the most important factors influencing lifelong learning? Purpose trumps pragmatism. Actions trump beliefs. The how of learning trumps the what of learning. And finally, having a learning bridge job trumps.
I think it was great. First of all, really, Wendy, I also really enjoyed working with you. More importantly is the energy that you give off and your ability to bring people together, to connect people together. Especially now we are doing this virtual. It's different from doing it, face to face, where you have the human connection and interaction. But then even on this kind of online virtual environment, you're still able to connect people and make people engage, which is the reason why I think you're a really good facilitator. And not only that, you're also a very good speaker. You are really good at controlling the flow of the event and also good at managing time. So yeah, it's been a really good and nice and wonderful experience working with you as well.
How do we develop learning individuals, teams, and organizations? If you want to build a more resilient workforce of agile learners, if you want to inspire, educate, and motivate action in your people, contact us. We are here to partner with you.